Nobody really warns you about this part. They warn you about crunch, burnout, competition, money, but not about the stuff that actually messes with your head once you are already in it. So let me tell you things most developers only realize after a few years. And yeah, this is probably about you. Here's the first hard truth. Game development is mostly not building games. It's maintaining motivation while progress feels invisible. You have spent weeks working on things that don't look impressive to anyone else, like system, refactors, bug fix, and there will be days where you worked hard but have nothing you like to confidently show another human being. That messes with people more than they expect. Then there's the second truth. The hardest part of game dev isn't learning the engine, it's learning how to sit with confusion without immediately escaping it. Because the moment something feels unclear, your brain wants out. New tutorial, new feature, new idea, new distraction. And if you are not careful, you can spend years learning without ever getting comfortable being stuck. And then we have the third truth, and this one hurts a bit. Most of your ideas will never become games. Not because they are bad, but because ideas are cheap and finishing is expensive, whether it's emotional, mentally, and sometimes financially. At some point, you will realize the real skill isn't creativity, it's choosing what not to build and sticking with that decision when something shinier shows up. Another thing nobody warns you about: progress doesn't feel like progress when you are improving. You don't feel smarter, you feel more aware of what you don't know, which is why a lot of developers feel worse over time, even though they are objectively better. That gap is normal, but nobody tells you that, so people assume something wrong with them. And here's the quiet one: game dev will test your patience with yourself. You will rewrite system you were proud of. You will look at old work and cringe. You will realize how many shortcuts you took without noticing. And that's not failure, that's growth showing up late and unannounced. And here's the truth that actually matters for you: most people don't quit game development because it's too hard. They quit because they expect it to feel rewarding more often than it does. And when it doesn't, they assume they are doing something wrong. You are not. This is just a craft where confidence comes after consistency, not before. So if you are still here, still building, still struggling, still questioning, you are not behind. You are exactly where the real work starts. If this video felt uncomfortably great, hit like. It will help other devs feel less alone in this. Subscribe if you want honest game dev talks without hype or fake motivation. Now go back to your project, not because it's fun today, but because this is how it slowly becomes worth it.